Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I am back and I have another American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. It's a mouthful. And I just got the October box. I just got the shipping notice for this on Monday, October 4th, and it was delivered Tuesday, October 5th. Something BoxyCharm should take a lesson from. I could not believe it. I got this the next day after the shipping. Now granted, I have to give them the fact that they are in the same county as me, practically the same city as me, so that could be why I got it so fast. But I was still like super shocked and super impressed because I'm still waiting for my September base box from BoxyCharm. So I was waiting, thinking it would come and then it would be here and I could do both boxes together, because it told me it would be here Tuesday, didn't come. It told me it would be here today, Wednesday, didn't come. And then I called them and they're like, oh, it'll be there by 8 o'clock tonight. It never showed up. Then I called again and it said that it had been delivered to the post office for whatever smart post delivery. And I'm like, that's not what the person on the phone told me. So I don't even know where that box is. So I decided I would just unbox this one by itself. We can see what's in it. I do know it's all Colourpop, so it may have things that I already have, things I've already tried. I'm not exactly sure. And if you're wondering, this is a monthly box and it's $34 a month. So, and it seems that they're going to be doing like one brand boxes. Can you please stop every time I move my hands? Thank you. Mr. is here as always. So let's see. On my eyes today, it's like 10 o'clock at night and I just decided to film. I have the Sigma and Cinderella palette on and I just used like 3 colors out of it. I haven't really played with it at all. So that's what's on my eyes. And on my lips, I have this Ilia. It's kind of like a lip balm. It feels really nice. It's not drying. So that's what's on my eyes. And then I have an empties basket over here that's overflowing. I need to film. And then I just got a whole bunch of like new fall like sweaters and jeans, like thrift haul. So you guys seem to like the thrift haul, so I'm gonna do that one. Tomorrow, Thursday, I'm gonna be busy all day with my sister. She has to go to the heart doctor. She has something wrong with like her, I don't know, whatever it is. She has like a defibrillator in her chest, and then like she has a bunch of stents. She had her first heart attack when she was 44. And then I think they think that she also has a mitral valve clip, and they think that the clip has moved. And I kept telling her that, and I'm like, your breathing is really weird, like, because I come from a nursing background, and I'm like, your breathing is just not right. I don't think it's just from the medication, which is what one of the, like, the physician's assistant said. And I'm like, that just doesn't sound right. And then she went to the doctor for a checkup, and it was a new doctor, and he's like, are you always breathing like that? And he's like, that doesn't sound right. And I'm like, finally. So they sent her to get an echocardiogram, and then tomorrow we're gonna go and see what the results are from that and see if she's gonna have to go back in and have the mitral valve clip replaced. So I don't know when I'm gonna get to filming those other videos, but I do have them coming, rest assured. Hey, can you not scratch me? Thank you. This American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I already cut the stuff off of it, and then you get a card and it comes nicely packaged. It says be strong, be you, be beautiful. And that, let's see, the first thing out of the box here is from Fourth Ray Beauty. This is the Daily Facial Moisturizer. I have not tried this, and this is $16. And next up here we have a Super Shock, is that a Super Shock cheek? It's broken. And I can't tell, it says it's in the shade Wisp. Super Shock highlighter. It looks really, really dark though. For my skin tone, this looks like a, and I can't really open it because it's cracked in half. Can you see? Yeah, you can see it right there, but I think that's, well, let's see what happens if we open it. I guess it could probably be, oh, I can press it back together. Okay. Problem solved. I just kind of squished it back together. Now let's see. I guess it might not be too dark. We'll have to try it out. If so, then we can put it on our eyes or somewhere. And this is $8. So I haven't tried their Super Shocks. So far 2 for 2, we're doing good. And then this is, oh, one of their neon little 5 pans. I've not tried these either. There's actually 2 of these in here. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I don't know why they called these neon, because there's really, everybody's gripe was like, there's one neon shade in it, and that's the only one. But I mean, the rest of it, the colors are really nice, and that could be like a nice little pop in the corner, something. And this one is called Neon Gaze. And we have another one here. This one is called Color Vision. Yeah. And this is the one with the pink. Nice that we get to try 2 of these, and I'm glad it's stuff that I haven't bought, so that's always nice. A little bit of dust fall out there, but there's that one. And those are both $10 each. And then we have the So Juicy lip gloss in the shade Stuntin'. And I haven't tried these either. No, I haven't tried these ones. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It's got like some little sparkly stuff through it. So that's cool. Those are $8. And then we have, what is this? Oh, a brow pencil. Okay. It's kind of hard for them. Now see, they sent me a brow pencil in taupe. And it looks like they sent everybody taupe. So that's kind of, I don't know. I like this brow pencil. This is my favorite one, but I usually use Bang & Brunette, so I don't know how taupe would work. It might work, actually. I mean, we'll give it a try. These are $7. So I have tried it, just not in that color. And then this is, oh, this is their new mascara called Act Natural Defining Mascara. And I had thought maybe I would like this because my eyelashes are already pretty long. Like I have, there's a new mascara from MAC on, and that's what I have on today, is a new MAC mascara. I can't remember what the name of it is. My daughter's best friend works for MAC, so she'll bring me stuff sometimes, and this was the new mascara, and I was like, ooh, I really like it. But I had, like, we went to the Orange County Fair one day. I like the wand on this. And not my sister nor my daughter-in-law told me I guess my mascara hadn't dried, and I had mascara all along here because I opened my eyes and then the mascara got on my skin, and no one told me. I'm like, thanks a lot. I go into the bathroom and I'm like, I've been walking around with like mascara all over my skin. I don't usually do that, people. So the mascara is $9. And then we have a Soul Body product. Now I do have one of these. I'm not sure what shade it is. This one is in Champagne and this is $10. So this is the Glow Oil. I don't think I have this. I think I have something else. So I'll have to make sure that I don't have it. And then if I do have it, can pass that on. And then the last thing here is a brush roll, which is very nice to have. And this is $44. And I have not tried any Colourpop brushes. So this was a really great box for me because I was worried that it would be filled with a bunch of stuff I already had, or that it would be like older items, you know. So this was a nice box. Let's see if we can open it. And this is, the brushes were one of those things where I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna pick up some brushes. Oh, I gotta pick up some of those brushes. I'm gonna pick up some of those. And then like, I just have never done it. It's a nice little roll here. Comes undone. And it even has the thing to cover the brushes, so like if you're traveling. So those are the brushes. Let's see them all. And it looks like we have 3 face brushes and 3, 6, 9, 11 eye brushes. That's really nice. This is their Kit Ultimate Brush Roll. And it says that this is your ultimate brush set. This faux leather brush roll collection includes 14 vegan, cruelty-free brushes and will help you create any look on your eyes or face. So that was $44. I think this was another great box. I've had really good luck with the 2 boxes that I have received from American Influencer Beauty Award box. I'm really glad that I subscribed. Now I did finally cancel my BoxyCharm base. I was like, you know what? Still waiting for the September box. This is October 6th and I can't even figure out where the box is. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to cancel it. I have the September one that's coming and then the October one. I've gotten shipping notices for both of the boxes, but I've noticed that they've switched over to, when you go on to the tracking information, it sends you to Pitney Bowes, and all I ever get from them is, our site is down, check back later. Site's down, check back later. And I'll copy and paste the tracking number and all it says is that the label has been created. So they've made the label, but they haven't even shipped it out or sent it to the warehouse where it leaves from. None of that. They just have created a label. So I don't really understand all that, why they would, you know, create a label and then send you a thing saying that the item has shipped when it clearly hasn't. So I don't know. There's Queen Chihuahua all by herself. She's been so good, you guys. I thought she was really gonna like just lose her marbles when Bambi died. I thought she was just gonna freak out. I don't think so. Oh, you see that? He took off with the... Hey, knock it off! Boy, get up here. He snatched the bubble wrap. Excuse me. So yeah, Lily's been doing really good and I've been doing a lot better. It has gotten better. Everybody says just wait, it'll get better, it'll get better. Has gotten better. I'm not like so emotional, I'm not crying and everything, but it was really hard the first month. But Lily's been doing fine. It's like she doesn't even notice, so I don't know. It's just weird because you kind of wonder, what are they thinking? But anyhow, I didn't bring my phone out, so I will put the total for the box here and let you know how much the box was worth. And if you want to sign up, I forgot to ask them for a link, but I'm gonna go in my room and I'll send them an email and ask them if they have a discount code that I can use for you guys. And I think it's just a discount code. I don't earn anything off of it. So yeah, maybe I can get a discount code. I'm in my pajama top. I got this at the thrift store one day. It's just a shirt, a pajama shirt. And I actually I bought a set at Walmart that has like exotic animals, and they have the glasses on some of them like this, but it's a two-piece, the pants and the shirt. And then I was in the thrift store and I saw this and my sister's like, "Nuh-uh." So this must have been like from a last season. Maybe they did cats and dogs, and then this season there's like a sloth and pandas, and they're really cute. But this is just like a t-shirt. So when I ran over there, I was like, oh crap, I have a nightgown on. Hope nobody saw anything. So I'll make sure and edit that out. I don't want to be like, you know, Foodie Beauty Chantal, show everything. But okay, so that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name's Tracy. I do beauty videos, thrift store hauls, thrift store finds, yard sale finds. Haven't been in many yard sales lately though. But I do have a lot of stuff that I've been picking up at the thrift store, so expect a haul to come from that. I do have my little press-on nails. These have been on for 4 days and none of them have come off. So this is the Impress brand and it's in the short style. So like I can't even really tell that I have nails on. Usually if you get the ones that are longer, you know, you feel like you can't do anything. And I've had these ones on and these ones have been fine. And the length of these is perfect. So I'm gonna buy these and start using these. So that's what's on my fingernails. And that's it. So if you're new, I hope you think about subscribing before you leave. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back, sticking with me. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.